Hi everybody, it's Wendy Gundry and I'm here with Mike Meena today from Augusta Financial. We wanted to talk to you guys a little bit and fill you in about VA loans. We get a lot of questions about VA loans and Mike's here to answer those questions for you. So Mike, I kind of wanted to talk to everybody about VA loans. A lot of people think that sometimes you can only use a VA loan once, you can't use it for a second time, getting their certificate of eligibility, their credit scores, things of that.
VA's very lenient. I mean, VA, if you're a veteran, first of all, thank you from the bottom of my heart.
Yes.
You guys did a great job out there. You still do and protect our country. But more importantly, when it comes to VA loans is there's a couple different ways. So you have the VA funding fee. So the first time we use the VA funding fee, it's 2.15% with a zero down loan. The next time it goes up to like 3.3%. So it gets more and more expensive every time they use it. But if they put down 5 or 10%, that VA funding fee comes way down. Also, if you had a disability and you retired from the military with a disability, even a 5% disability, you may not have a VA funding fee. VA rates are fantastic. They're just as good as FHA rates. There's no mortgage insurance on any of these loans. You can go to 100% of the appraised value of the purchase price to $679,650.
Wow.
Above that amount, they do a 4-for-1. So let's just use that number. Let's say our max number is 600,000. We go to $1 million. Now it would take $100,000 down to go to $1 million. They could have a $900,000 loan at that level. It's actually going to be more because we cap out at that 679. So it's great. So they can do it with a very small down payment. They can buy $1 million, $1.2 million, $1.4 million, $1.6 million house with
Wow.
a small down payment.
Wow.
So it's great.
So what about credit?
Credit, again, 600 credit score, works on a VA loan. We've done them with lower credit scores. They're very lenient when it comes to that kind of thing. The funny part about VA is, let's say, for instance, you have a husband and wife, and the husband has good credit and the wife has bad credit. VA will look at that and they'll say, the wife might be bringing down the husband and we're not going to give a loan because of the combined credit, where FHA ignores the wife's credit and VA does not. So, or it could be the other way. Usually it is. The husband's the guy with the bad credit. The wife has the good credit.
Yes.
She's like, I told you. But whatever it is, that's kind of where the problem is. So we look at each of those individually and see, how we can fix it to make sure VA's happy with the loan.
Is there any fees that a seller has to pay for a buyer?
There's VA non-allowable fees, which are interesting. They've really come down and pretty much gone away. As long as the buyer's not paying a point anymore, really the seller's not responsible to pay any VA fees. One of the things we get a lot of is, I don't want to accept a VA loan because we have a VA appraiser and this and that and the other.
Right.
And I'm like, first of all, you should be accepting VA loans. These people fought for you in our country. Secondly, the VA appraisers are good, and the 100% down, a lot of our clients have the $2,000 or $3,000 if the appraisal doesn't come in high enough. So there's a lot of reasons to accept a VA loan, and plus, they're slam dunk loans for the most part.
Yeah. I mean, I love working with VA buyers. And again, thank you for supporting our country and going to battle for us. And I like to take VA loans on my listings because you know that they are approved and that they're good buyers.
Yeah.
So I think we've shared a lot. Is there anything else you can think of?
No, I think you should sign off now, Wendy.
I think I'm good. Okay. Thanks, everybody. Have a great day. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to give me a call, 661-702-4767. And if you want to get pre-approved for a loan, you can always call Mike.
Oh, you want to go for it?
Yeah, no, go ahead.
Okay, Mike Meena, Augusta Financial, 661-260-2970. Thank you so much. Should we do the Wendy Mike sign off?
From Wendy.
Mike, see, we
Have a
got
good
the M
day.
and the W. I love it. Thanks.